How sliding door work? The basic operation of a sliding door involves the door panel or panels moving horizontally along a track system. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how sliding doors work. Track system. Sliding doors are mounted on a track system installed either on the floor, ceiling, or both. This track system provides the pathway along which the door panel will slide. Door panels. Sliding doors typically consist of one or more door panels that are attached to rollers or wheels. These rollers or wheels sit within the track system, allowing the door panels to move smoothly along the track. Guides. To keep the door panels aligned and prevent them from swinging or tilting, guides are often installed at the top and bottom of the door opening. These guides help to stabilize the door panels as they slide along the track. Handles or pulls. Sliding doors usually have handles or pulls mounted on the door panel to allow users to easily push or pull the door open or closed. Operation. To open a sliding door manually, the user simply grasps the handle or pull and applies force to slide the door panel along the track in the desired direction. For automated sliding doors, sensors detect motion or user input, triggering the motorized mechanism to open or close the door automatically. Closing mechanism. Some sliding doors are equipped with a closing mechanism that ensures the door panel closes securely and stays in place when not in use. This mechanism may consist of magnets, spring-loaded devices, or other mechanisms that help to keep the door panel closed and provide a tight seal. Locking mechanism. Sliding doors may also feature a locking mechanism to secure the door panel in the closed position. This can include traditional locks with keys, as well as modern electronic locking systems. Overall, sliding doors offer a simple and efficient way to open and close doorways while maximizing space and providing smooth operation. They are widely used in various settings for their convenience, versatility, and aesthetic appeal.